Guys, guys, welcome back to Ohio Tools. We'll see if this game is good. I just stole your entire intro. You're welcome. Yep. You should. You beat someone to death. Hold up, let me turn this. There we go. Hold up. Hey, look above. Look, bro, the entire house almost came off. Stop shooting! Shots fired! I'm gonna blow myself up. I'm about to blow. Yo, come here, little Judd. You can't touch me. How are you actually? Yeah, keep backing up. Hey, keep backing up. Ha! I froze you. I froze you. The explosion. I'm gonna blow myself up. Might. Wait, come here. Come here. I'm not gonna hit you. I'm not gonna hit you. I didn't hit you. Wait, wait, wait. Don't shoot. Don't shoot. Stop shooting. Yeah. Wait, did you see it in the sky? Wait, it spawns in the sky? I gotta see that. Oh, come here. Come here. You can't shoot that. I no. That's it. Wait, 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 wait. I want to show you what this does. I want to show. Look, look. Come here. I want to show you what this does. Please, please, please. Hell, my boy. I just did that to the other guy. I just yeah. What? Sure. If you can hit it. What happened to you? What happened? Wait, I'm gonna do it to the house. Don't kill me. I'm gonna do it to the house. I said, don't kill me. Okay, buddy. You're gonna get, like, bent over. It's because I fell off. I was gonna kill you. I was gonna explode and kill you. Hey, would you mind, wait, staying there for a second? No! I was gonna hit. I had the same thing. I could have used that. Wait, let me. This Lego doesn't kill you. Look. Wait, I missed. I missed. I lied. I lied. Wait, what happened to me? Jesus! I just I just look over yonder and see cars raining from the sky. Wait, there's a tool here. Hold on. No! Ooh! Did you see that? I clipped him. Alright. Bro died before he could die. Wait a minute. Bro, I even had a one-shot weapon. Oh, would you look what I have? Yeah, and look. Hey, would you mind standing still? Yes. Hey, come here. I got rid of his gun. No! Hey, little bro. Little bro. Little bro. Little bro. No! I missed. That's okay, because I have... And I missed that, too. Great. I thought I could jump over it. I cannot. I'm gonna blow myself up. Look above. I tried killing myself. I can. Hey, I'm get. I'm gonna have to touch you. You walked right into that. Fish. I'm gonna run off the. Bro, this house tipped over. I'm putting you in the jar. Iron, you're getting the jar treatment. You're going in the jar. Just try. You know, it's a good thing that didn't hit me. I'm gonna hit this car away. Oh, there goes the car. Hey, Iron, I got your search history. I got your search history. Dogs? Dogs? Iron, why would you look up dogs like that, bro? That's just crazy. Guys, unfollow from Iron. Because he's such a chud. Whoever's on... Oh, yeah? Well, I got a trash bag. How did I still die? Yeah, me too. Hey, I just bombed that. Yo, I would look where you're going. Same with you, little bro. No, I missed. I think that'll line up. Yes. Hey, Iron. Hey, look back. Wait. I couldn't tell if that was mine or yours. Wait. No, I missed. What happened over? Oh yeah, I did this. I'm gonna commit sewer slide. Oh yeah. Hey, would you look up? Kindly look up for me. I'm aware. If I get Bun's items one more time. Ah, perfecto. You're welcome, Iron. I helped you. The train took you. What have you done? What have you done? What have you done? What have you done? How have I not been struck? And I got a vine. No! No. The hammer's not as good as a sledgehammer. Bro fell off. No! I missed. I'm like spectating you. Fish. Yes, yes, I got him, I got him. Okay, I'm gonna reset and get new items. Bro, my butt itches. Low-key hurts from yesterday. Wait, am I hitting you? Are you taking damage? Bro, it's saying that I'm hitting you. Wait, did I get you? Good. No, no, no. Move, move. I don't care. My items are buttons. Ooh, my favorite. Bro dropped a nuke on himself. What? You saw that, right? Why did the train... Where are you? Stinky. Oh, there you are. I said stinky. Stinky. Ooh. Wait, wait, wait. Don't shoot, don't shoot. I'm gonna rip open your cheeks. That is a threat. Hey, what's that? Sir, can you please step out of the vehicle? What's that sticking through your windshield? We're gonna have to take you away. Brother! Kill this. I almost said a word I should not say. Oh. You're supposed to, like... I'm going to strangle this. Question is, how did I not? Oh, I killed both of you. This is a one-shot gun. But it doesn't... No, 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 no. 2? You know what? That's it. Get pushed off the map. Get pushed off the map, idiot. Wait, this one says pick up players. What? No! I hope you drown in a pit of nut. I don't know what I mean by that. You know what? Come here. I'm gonna kill myself. Let me die! Actually, I'm gonna wait here for 15 seconds. Down here. Hey, would you look up? Press the button, press the button. Wait, come here real quick. Come here. What the? You saw that, right? That was a UFO. You stepped on my brick. How did you? Yo, I've been recording for 17 minutes. Yes! Bruh. Wee. The Rock? Yo, bro, look down the side where the platform is. Iron. Look down the side the platform is. Like, go on the platform. If you can make it there. Hey. Hey! Yeah. there's there's no way I killed you like that. I just saw bro's body parts fall down the side. Why didn't you use it then? I'm gonna tiki on you, buddy. This this next one might get you messy. Why? Because we're playing Bendy. No, there's no way. Okay. Almost. Get away from me. Help! Please! This next one might get you messy. Why? Because we're playing Bendy. Because we're playing... I got another... I got another... Wait, come out, come out. Buddy, we're not streaming. What you mean clip it? I'm gonna clip you. What? I spawned one too. Here, have a train. I have car storm and train strike. I'm gonna blow up that cat. Bro's riding on the cow. You know what? That's it. I don't care if I die. What? Why do I look ugly? Why do I look ugly? Bro, my right arm is gone. So two things. Since my right arm is gone, I can't use items, and since my right arm is gone, I can't. Ugh! I can't do that with my right arm anymore. I give up on life. Ooh, never mind. It's still gonna kill you. Yeah, it will. Why did I just get flung? You saw that, right? Oh, well. Hey, Iron, look up. Also, Iron, look up. You shouldn't have. Oh, you shouldn't have. Do you want a Moai? It's gonna kill you. I'm blowing myself up. Bro, my past like 5 videos have been like 30 minutes. How? Okay, I called the strike on the car. How did I call it on the car? Yo, I might just... You know what? Here, for both of you. Or one of you. I just shot you. No! I'm getting nut on you. I'm getting nut on you. Weak. No! No. I could have escaped. I could have escaped. Wait, come here, come here. Let me grab you. I'm gonna touch you! My nut has no effect on you. Me. I'm killing myself. You can't say that. Why? Okay. Iron, look up. Hey, look above you. I did not mean... I didn't even... I timed that. I didn't even mean to time that. What the fuck? I'm killing myself. They made me bald! You know what? Yeah, takes one to know one. Hey, come here, come here. Come here, come here. Don't be shy, don't be shy. No! No! Yo, I might just end it. The video. Because, I'm about to virtually nut. Bro, my family is, like, crazy. You know what? Take this, Iron. Tidal wave. I choose you. Wait. No, I know a perfect... I know a perfect hiding spot if I spawn next to it. No, I didn't spawn next to it. Nice try. No. Oh, I'm gonna show you a nice try. What the fuck? Bro, you got rid of my wings. Bro, why won't this like... Oh, it's because I had to... You know what? I'm gonna give you the McPickle Pounder. What? Why would it? It's because of your numbers. No, no, I could have... Okay, I opened the door. I opened the door, I see a cat laughing. You know what? Here you go. Nothing. Buddy, if you can't see the code, you're blind. Yeah, I'm blowing up your truck. No! Ooh, little boy, I'm coming for you. How did you not hear it? Yes. No, no. Oh, yes, yes. Hey, Lobro's coming for you. Hey, open that door. I'm getting nut on you. Hey, I know what will make you come out of there. Come stand by the door. Come stand by the door. Let me just get there. Let me just get there. Make sure nobody's behind me. I just got into a seat and now I'm stuck in the ground. Please. Oh, never mind. Okay, come to the door. Ooh, I got another one. Go, my child. Child labor. Child labor, am I right? Me too, buddy. Good for you. Hey, yeah, why don't you open that door? Wait, if can I come in if I don't kill you? Please, please. You just killed yourself, didn't you? At least I was in there. Why are you just standing there? Hey, come here, little boy. I killed him. I killed him. Oh, no! You can't say that, Lober. I just spawned. You know what? I'm bombing myself. No, it didn't work. It didn't work. I just. Why is there a plane right where. Bro, someone move this plane. The pan? Well, here, have this. Did you see it? I meant to do the video. Guys, I gotta go nut on this guy. I will be back sometime with another video. Okay, Iron, get over here. Get your big butt over here.